Today we're with Crazy Kyle. The person that you were laughing at every single time when he's playing soccer. Too bad.
Okay, so here we got a bunch of organs that I just peeled out.
What is that?
Oh, that's just organs. This is organs. Here's the intestines. So I killed a rat yesterday, and I took out his all body parts.
That's a lie.
I really didn't. I didn't. And then after that,
I pretty much think that everybody else will know that.
I took out his heart. Took out his heart. I really didn't. Trust me. I'm just playing around. I didn't really do that. I would never do that. But anyway, I have a heart. It's fake. I have a heart. I have this beautiful lungs. Oh my god, this lungs.
He actually broke a tiny human.
No, I did not.
Don't. He did.
I did not.
He did.
Okay. So here I have this. I did not. So here we have this funny spine here. We have his brain. I took it out so he could be dumb.
Yeah, but
So here we have all of the stuff to a body part. First, we are going to be putting this. I don't know where to start.
that's. Let me show you. You don't even know biology. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe you don't. Give me the intestines.
I know what to do.
I need the intestines.
I know what to do. I don't know.
Doesn't go there.
I know what to do. But this is not the spines, though. This is actually it is the spine.
Holy
My
crap,
son.
it's Aunt Jackie's birthday.
Yeah, you forgot? Don't tell me you forgot, Dad.
That's not how you do it. That's not the. Let me show you. Anyways, since Kyle is acting very dumb right now. And
Excuse you.
Wow!
excuse me, you are the one that is not says you're the person that's not
Well,
doing it right.
hello, Aunt Jackie. How are you doing? Are you
And
okay?
anyways, back to this.
Happy birthday.
I need this, I need this spine, and I need this.
Yeah.
And I was just kidding around by when I said that you are.
Oh, okay.
But actually, what is happening here? How are you even supposed to do this? This is impossible.
Don't worry. Let me try.
You try. If you know organs.
I got this part done.
Kyle, what are you doing? This thing is still recording. Kyle, can you turn that off?
video.
That doesn't sound mean at all.
Yeah, you know what the deal is that this takes up a lot of memory on this iPad.
And that's Landon's.
Yeah, so we should get rid of it.
I'm still putting this back, the game back and everything.
We got more videos for you to go.
I mean, I can delete it. It would not make any more memory after that.
What, delete the memory?
Huh? Yeah, this wastes memory.
Okay. Bye, guys.